What's going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Happy Wednesday. I've got a short one for you. It's only about 8 minutes long. Maybe closer to 9 with me talking. But sovereign citizen, Judge Clarke. This guy drops his script. It might be the quickest any sovereign citizen's ever dropped a script. We'll see at his next hearing, but this is bad. All right, or is it good? All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Court day for you've already been before you. I think you picked up another charge. This is at a preliminary hearing. Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, sir.
All right. You wish to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll
All
present
right,
myself to the court.
Sir,
Said I'll present myself to the court.
if you'll swear Mr. Thompson in.
Yes.
All right, sir, state your name.
I'm the attorney in fact for Justin Reed Thomason, fictitious name.
No, sir, you're not. State your name.
Justin Reed,
And,
that's my given name.
sir?
Justin Reed.
Okay. And Mr. Reed, you've made an, Justin Reed?
Reed's his middle name, Your Honor.
I understand that. What's your last name?
That's not my property, sir.
Nope, well, I'm not gonna take that. Tell me your real name.
Justin Reed.
What's your name on your birth certificate?
That's not my property either, sir. That's the state of
All
Florida.
right. Mr. Thompson, I'm gonna find you're not competent to represent yourself. You can keep
Justin
that.
Reed Thomason, sir. All right.
Okay. All right, sir, how far did you get?
And just like that. That's all it took. That's all it took. Judge Clarke won. He did. All right. That was fun. I got the rest of the hearing, but that was the sovereign sit. Now it's just, he's just pro se now.
In school?
Say again.
How far did you get in school?
I graduated.
Okay. And were you in the military?
Say again. I can't.
Were you in the, I'm sorry, were you in the military?
Yes, sir. I was in the Army.
So you knew how to read and write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I remember correctly, are you on disability now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Been through a heart attack and a stroke
Yes. Sir.
since.
Also, you've had some other physical injuries too. Is that correct?
Say again.
You had some physical injuries also. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. I've got 6 screws in my neck and a stent in my heart.
And before the court, I believe, the court is aware of this. I believe you've had Mr. Thompson on the violation of probation before. Is your father here? Is any family here? Okay, I thought so. Okay. All right, sir. Have you ever represented yourself before?
And this court, just for the last hearing, the reason I'm on probation, that's the only 2 times I've ever tried to defend myself from here.
And you understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence and criminal procedure?
I cannot hear you, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry. You understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence and criminal procedure?
Say again.
Do you want a hearing device?
Huh?
Hold on, I'm gonna give you a hearing device.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hold the ear. Let's do.
All right.
I want to test it and see if.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, very good. All right, you understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence, criminal procedure, and law, and they're there to assist you in preparing for this preliminary hearing and preparing for an evidentiary hearing. You understand that?
Yeah, well, from my past experience, they didn't seem to want to do any of those things for me.
But, well, I'm just asking, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that you'll be held to that same standard?
Yes, sir.
And that if I do allow you to represent yourself, the first time I hear anything that sounds like what you started talking about today, you will not be able to represent yourself. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
and that'll be immediate.
Yes, sir.
And I'll never allow you to represent yourself again in this proceeding. If I hear that, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you still wish to represent yourself,
Yes, sir. I believe in self-defense. Yes, sir.
sir?
I believe in self-defense. Yes, sir. I went to war for this country. I would always like to represent and defend myself.
Okay. All right. Was there an amended violation of probation filed yet?
It looks like there was on March 1st, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. All right, well, sir, I'm going to allow you to represent yourself at any point in time that you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you. I'll appoint one. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. You're here today on a violation of probation hearing. And how do you wish to plead?
Not guilty.
All right. And let's see.
I would like to move on to evidentiary hearing if we could, sir.
Well, you have to give the state notice. They'll have to have a chance to subpoena witnesses. This is not your evidentiary hearing today.
No, I just want to move for one.
You want to move for one?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Who's the attorney?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Ms. McAfee, I'm going to set this for an evidentiary hearing. I don't want to set it on the 22nd because that's graduation. Yeah, let's go ahead and set it May 22nd at 1:30. We'll do that at a preliminary at 9 o'clock. And Mr. Thompson, remember, at any point in time, you want to ask for an attorney, I'll appoint one. You understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Can I be released until we get to that evidentiary hearing so that I can?
Mr. Thompson has asked to, has made an oral tennis motion for release. Ms. McAfee, what's the state's position?
All right. There's about a minute left of this. This guy doesn't do a bad job. Besides the sovereign citizen hogwash that he started off with, he did fine. Excuse me. So I wonder if he's going to keep up with the soft sit stuff. We'll find out. May 22nd. Got over a month away for that. All right. I'm going to let this video play out. I'll see you guys tonight at 8. Until then, bye.
Your Honor, I believe the new law is a misdemeanor driving on a suspended license. Based on that, I have no objection.
Pardon?
I have no objection.
To releasing him back? All right. As a special condition of your probate, I'll release you on your own, I'll release you at this time, based on that award tennis motion, the state's position. As a special condition of that release, you're not to operate a motor vehicle. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
No questions asked. You cannot operate a motor vehicle. You'll abide by the terms and conditions of your probation. You'll sign a notice to come back on the May 22nd at 9 and 1:30. You'll need to step over and speak to the probation officer, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Yes, sir.